very first thing in a manuscript collection's first box should be a finding aid, which are also sometimes called registers or inventories. They let the researcher know what person or group the records originate from, who donated them and when, what years the materials cover, and the size of the collection, which can range from a single folder to thousands of boxes. Finding aids also include a short biography or history of the creator and an abstract about the records, which often reveals what you might expect to find in the collection, information on why the material was created, or insights regarding the arrangement of the materials within the boxes. Lastly, finding aids provide a breakdown of the collection's contents by box and folder, which acts sort of like a table of contents for the collection.